Welcome to this short kit review. It's Eduard's Profipack Edition of the beautiful Bell X-1 Mach buster in 1/48 scale. The box is very well designed and comes with a beautiful box art. Along with some general information, the 4 possible build variants are shown on the side. The sturdy box opens upwards and we look at what's inside. The few plastic parts are wrapped separately in a plastic bag. Another bag contains the resin wheels and the clear part. Beneath the assembly instructions are the decal sheet, the mask and the photo etch parts. The assembly instructions are very clear and demonstrate the simplicity of the kit. All construction steps fit on 2 pages and everything is explained. Typical for Eduard, each marking option is on a separate page. They are beautifully illustrated and come with a short history of each aircraft. I really like that the other color variants are included in addition to the well-known glamorous Glennis flown by Chuck Yeager. Here's an overview of all the parts. The number of parts shouldn't be overwhelming. Eduard uses a very sturdy plastic here. The surface is glossy and prone to scratches. Some rivets and panel lines are indicated. The engraving is no longer the sharpest, reflecting the age of the kit. The cockpit contains nice details, while the undercarriage is rather simple. The clear part is good, and most importantly, it fits. The included masks are a must-have and make the job much easier. Another highlight are the highly detailed resin wheels. The included photo etch parts make it easy to upgrade the clearly visible cockpit. The decal sheet is of good quality. These are the new Eduard decals where the carrier film can be removed. The kit is from 1997 and can't be compared to modern Eduard sets. It won't work without some filler and sanding, but the kit is definitely a joy to build. Eduard has managed to revive this classic. The addition of high quality accessories at a fair price didn't make me think twice. I used the kit as a starting point to create my own upgrade set, and I built additional details from scratch. The full build video of my Bell X-1 is on my channel, so check it out. Thanks for your interest. See you next time.